Hey guys, we have this 2018 or 19 Caravan, and we'll be changing the inner door handle on it today. You can get just the handle, and should be fairly straightforward. First thing we're going to need to do is get this window switch up, and it's just held in there by some pressure clips, and we will remove the connector there, just a locking tab. Do the same thing for our sliding door switch if you have one of those for the power sliding doors. And I'm just using a plastic trim tool here so that I don't mark anything up. Just like that. And then next thing we're going to need to do is remove this little cover that's in here in the door handle, or I guess grabby area. I don't know what you want to call that. And we have a Torx screw in there. I'm just going to grab a tool, let you know what size that is. Yep, that one will work. T20. So grab our T20s. We're going to undo that screw as well as another hidden screw behind this panel right here. And it's also the same size, T20. So I'll go ahead and remove those. Now we just have this trim piece here. We can just sneak in behind there and just some pressure clips holding that on. The bottom one is actually like a steel clip, so it's gonna bite a little bit more. I guess the top one is as well, but it actually goes into the door. So once we get that off, the rest should be all pressure clips, so we should be able to just grab it and pull. You could use a trim tool as well if you want. I think I'm going to try that. They are on there pretty tight, so. And once we get that, we should be able to lift up with it, I believe. Yep. And now we have access to our door handle. One connector down here for a courtesy light, and then we have the door handle cable itself. You can see we've got two little tabs there. We squeeze those in. We should be able to manipulate that out of the road, like so. Move your cable, pop that out. Now we've got our door handle and just a bunch more Torx screws, so go ahead and remove those by the looks of things. 1, 2, and it looks like it's just 2 that hold it on, so remove those and we can take our door handle assembly off. All right, so we just line up this piece here and just make sure everything's sitting correctly and start our screws. We'll tighten those down. And we're ready to go back together. Just do everything in the reverse order. Cable in, just pops into place like that. And we're gonna hook up our courtesy light switch, just like that. Make sure that this gets routed down. It just pops into this right here. Kind of keep things out of the road. And then we just have to line up all these things here with all of the white plastic holes right after we slide this down over the lock. Make sure that everything slips into that piece nicely. Looking good. And make sure everything's lined up before you push in on the door, otherwise those clips probably will break. Can't see the flopping thing. Perfect. Okay, everything feels good. Door handle feels good. We'll go ahead and reinstall our 2 screws. Now that we actually have a door handle there, just has to move out of the way slightly. Okay, and then a couple covers, and also don't forget this piece. Just pops on like so. Stick this cover down here. Doesn't matter which way it goes. This one goes in here, like that. And then all we've got left is our sliding door and also our window switch. I guess I forgot to tell you, you should make sure that your wiring harness is in the right spot before we stick the door on. But I should be able to get it out. Okay. Stick this one on, the green one's for the sliding door. And the black one goes to your main window lock mirror switch. That should be it. We'll just make sure that everything functions as intended. Perfect. And that's it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions, throw them down in the comment section below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.